The next important aspect of Pune University curriculum, as per the Pune University curriculum, as I'm going to show you, value added course for FY BCom under choice based credit system. So this is one of the added value added course for FY BCom first semester, which is I'm going to discuss. Again, this will be online, self-paced, asynchronized examination and learning. So here the entire module is given. Again, we are taken out of the various courses given, we have taken for our first semester employability skill development. Now, under this course, there are various topics mentioned: basic communication skill, reasoning ability, verbal ability, personal grooming, personality development, CV writing skills, interview techniques. These are the topics given. When you click on again in the same link, you will find another topic mentioned, soft skills. Click on that one. You will also get various learning videos. Based on, again, on taken from YouTube channels. This will be one part of your learning. And there are certain documents also given in order to help you to understand certain aspects. And you will also get certain assignments in this subject. This assignment will be, there will be some experts coming and giving you sessions on various topics. That time, each time I'll be informing you. Second, I'll be on the basis of the guest lecture taken. There will be some assignments given when after the guest lecture is over, you have to make the assignment and submit it. There will not be any formal test. This test will not be available. So you have to watch the videos, read the document, complete the assignments given. That will be of your internal assessment. So you will have videos on the topic as per the Pune University requirement. One. Second, you have documents given. Third, you will have assignments based on the guest lectures, not on the based on the YouTube channels. I will be conducting, depends upon the availability of the experts to speak to you on various topics of employability skill development. So attendance in those guest lectures are compulsory, without which you will not get this course completed. So if you don't attend these lectures, it will be treated as absent. There will be minimum 5 such lectures. If you are absent for more than 2, will be considered as internal assessment 0. You will not be allowed, you will not be getting any score for this particular one. If you don't complete, you will not be allowed to get the complete passing certificate for the FY BCom. You have 2 such courses. That is, one is employability skill development. Second, in constitution and governance, which will be taken by Franklin sir. And the third one is a practical again one, that is physical education. Now, since colleges are going to be open soon, there may be possibility physical education examination will be conducted offline. So in case if there is no such physical education examination is conducted, then again that also will come as an online program like skill development. There will be, we have to watch the videos. I'll be asking you to do the work, that is assignments. You have to complete the assignments and put it, and you have to attend the guest lectures. These are part of your internal assessment. So at watching the videos, reading the material, giving the assignments, attending the guest lectures are part of your internal assessments. So during the guest lecture, there will be different mode of examination that will be for the evaluation. If you complete that one, you will get a certificate, that is employability skill development add-on certification course. Now, while filling your examination form, at the time of filling the examination form, when you are giving FY BCom, they will ask which course to be selected for your add-on course. You have to click on employability skill development, then only marks will be entered for the same in the university portal. Otherwise, you will not get the marks and you will be treated as fail. So I am repeating, this is also part of compulsory part of FY BCom skill development program, as well as of Pune University 2019 pattern. You have to complete skill development program and as an add-on certification program. Now I open questions. If you have any questions, you can ask me for any clarification. Yes.
Sir, you will give us a reminder before filling the form that you have to.
Yes, that reminder will be given, and normally office people will check it also. But sometimes if everybody coming in the rush, they may miss out while checking. But I'll give the reminder. These are the subjects you have to take it in order for university examination.
Sir, for second course, that is skill 1.
Yes.
So as you said, there would be no assessment, right? No, there will be
assessment will be based on assignment. No assessment. No, I did not. It will be based on assignments. It will not be. There will not be any question answer question sessions like a Google form or a any MCQ type questions or such things will not be there. Your attendance in the guest lectures, and the guest lecturer, if he is giving some work, he will assess and say this many students have to be given marks, this many students do not give the marks, then that will be part of it.
Okay, so we just need to go through those videos, right? For skill course.
Yeah, skill course, you have
Right
to go through the videos. After going through, you will come to know I will be giving assignments. The guest lectures also will give assignment. I will also, because I have already designed assignments for this particular one, so I will be putting up as the time course. You can start your skill development course anytime. Soft skill, this is part of your Friday. You have got 2 lectures. Since it is online, we are not having it that time. You can use it in order to watch these videos, and whenever we are getting the guest lectures on that day, I will be having this guest lecture on certain specific topic.
Sir, only we have to complete the assignment you are giving.
Yes, once you watch the videos, again your score will come. So I will come to know whether you have watched the videos. In my system, your progress will show. Then only I can say. So the progress will lead you to giving the exams. If you watch one video, at least it will go to 500 points. But that is not enough. But I will give you, on the basis of videos, I will be giving you assignments.
So there will be no test like question, no?
MCQ type of questions will not be there.
Like GST you have given.
Yeah, no. Because GST is a additional examination also is there. There are external examiner has to come. But since it's a pandemic, the external examiner may not be there. If external examiner is coming, there will be a Viva also for GST. Whereas this subject, there is no external examiner, and it will be only internal evaluation. Guest lectures, as the guest lecturer is ready to give the lecture, that time it will be given. There is no specific time I can fix it now. I will give you at least 1 week's notice so that you get to know about this day there is a guest lecture. Mostly it will be on Friday during your soft skill class, 5:15 to 6:45. Any other question? So I'm repeating, GST as well as employability skill development, which is shown as soft skill, both are self-paced learning. So there won't be any teacher coming and telling you. In case any clarification is required, you can contact me. Clarification regarding the subject, not I am not able to log in, I'm not getting, I'm uploaded, I did not see it. That is your device, you check it again instead of calling me and asking me. Any more?
Sir, when you will give assignment on soft skill?
I will give you, I will give time to watch it initially, the first part, then I will ask you to upload it. I'll tell you the first assignment I will be giving you, introduce yourself. You take, you write it down, that I'll give you, write it down 1 page of your introduction. Second, you have to take a video with your mobile, take a video of your own introduction and upload it. This is the first assignment normally I give to understand how confident you are to give introduction about it, how your language is, how you introduce yourself. This is the most important thing whenever you go for an interview. The interviewer will ask, introduce yourself. This is the first assignment. I will be putting it up, but since you have asked, I told you this is the one.
So we have to upload the assignment.
Pardon? I'll give the assignment. This link is not created. I'm just given you. Now don't give introduction now itself, sir, where is the upload? You will get a link in the assignment column. There you have to give the assignment. Yes, when you start watching the videos in ClickGAN, your points will be increasing, slowly increasing. So the system will read how it is, and my progress, I will come to know how much time you have watched it and what is the progress you have made it. Now, some of you put on the video and do something else. That is up to you. Whether you wanted to learn or just wanted to put on, that is up to you. You will get the score. For my end, you will show he has watched out of 30 minutes one, he has watched 29 minutes or 20 minutes. I will get the report. But whether you have gone into the details, that is up to you. Now, also, some people are just on, but may not be listening to me what I am telling. That I cannot help it in the online mode of education.
So we can see that score and all from
Yeah,
our
you
side.
can see. Yeah, you can also see the score.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, B I will discuss. Just hold on. Any other questions? So these 2 courses, self-paced learning. So make advantage of it and learn as much as possible. Do your exercises. So we'll be able to enhance your skill as well as knowledge.